Hi, this is an introduction to Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is how your child will get into their classes to meet when they meet live with their classes. There are lots of different ways to get into Microsoft Teams. One of which I showed you in the class before. You actually will click on the link and that takes you directly to the meeting. You can also go into Clever. And when you go into Clever, you'll see a link to Microsoft Teams. The best way to get into Microsoft Teams is to download it and go directly to the Teams app on your computer. When you do that, you will, and you click on the calendar, you will actually see all of your classes already on there, and you can join from the calendar on your Teams app, and that's the best way to use it. If you're having trouble with Teams, you can either, usually you're only having trouble if you're using the browser rather than the app. You can try a different browser. For example, you can try Chrome browser. The way you get to Chrome browser is come down here to this little search bar, and when you do that, Chrome will appear here and you can open it. So you could try to open Teams there, but you shouldn't have too much trouble if you just go to the Teams app.